Hi viewers, you are welcome. Today we'll be learning indices and we have a question on the board which says if 18 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 12 raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 2 raised to power m multiplied by 3 raised to power n, find the value of m plus n. Now this is indices problem, and the first thing to know before solving any indices problem is the laws of indices. Once you know the laws of indices and how to apply them, you'll be able to solve any problem. Now looking at the question on the board, we have 18 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplying by 12 raised to power 1 over 3 to look like 2 raised to power m multiplied by 3 raised to power n. The first thing to do is to make 18 and 12, express 18 and 12 as a product of 2 and 3. How do I mean? You can just say, you will realize that these are prime numbers, so you can just change 18 to an expression that has 2 and 3 or 2 or 2, 3, or what do I mean? Just do like this. You have 18. Use prime numbers. Since these are prime numbers, are 2 and 3. 2 can go in 18 9 times. 3 can go in 9 3 times. And another 3 can go in 3 1 time. Multiply this together. Once you multiply this together, that means everything here will give you 18. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. That means you can express 18 as a product of these numbers 2 times. And let's do the same thing for 12. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 6, 3. And 3 in 3, 1. Definitely 12 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3. So let's just do that quickly. So instead of writing 18, we will write 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 3 times 3. Everything enclosed in a bracket, raised to power 2 over 3, multiplied by 2 times 2 times 3. Everything in a bracket again, raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 2 raised to power m times 3 raised to power n. And from this point, we can proceed and we can see 3 multiplying 3 here, or probably we can even proceed and just make everything have the power of 2 over 3 in this bracket. Everything in this bracket again should have power of 1 over 3. Then we solve again. So let's go. We have 2 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 2 raised to power m multiplied by 3 raised to power n. So what we can do here is we can arrange all the numbers, we can rearrange, and we have 2, 2 and 2 to be arranged together, and 3, 3 and 3 to be arranged together. If you observe, we are still on the left hand side of the equation. We have not done anything at the right hand side of the equation. We are only simplifying what we have at the left hand side of the equation. So let's rearrange. We have 2 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over 3. I've written this, and this. Then let's go to, we have 3 left. 3 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 over 3. Then everything is equals to 2 raised to power m multiplied by 3 raised to power n. So from this point, we can, the law of indices says when you have numbers multiplying themselves, if the number is the same, you can add the powers together. The number we have here 2 is the same, so we can add the powers of 2 together. The same thing can be done for 3. We add the power of 3 together. So that's the next thing to do. Just pick 1, 2, then you add the powers together. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. And the same thing can be done for 3. 3 raised to power 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is equals to 2 raised to power m multiplying 3 raised to power n. At this point, you will notice we are close to the answer already. So what's the next thing to do? Let's add the powers together. We have 2 raised to power, the LCM here is 3, so without wasting our time, just have the LCM to be 3. Let's add the numerators together. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 4 over 3 multiplied by 3. The LCM is also 3, so let's add the numerators together. We have 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 3. And everything is equals to 2 raised to power m multiplied by 3 raised to power n. Now, you can see the left hand side is already looking like the right hand side. Therefore, m is equals to 4 over 3. And our n is equals to 5 over 3. So at this point, the question says, find the value of m plus n. So let's add together. M plus n is equals to 4 over 3 plus 5 over 3. So everything over 3, 4 plus 5. And that is 9 over 3. And 9 over 3 will give us 3. Therefore, our m plus n is equals to 3. The question is very simple, but if you don't know the laws of indices, you might not be able to solve as points like this. And if you don't know how to express numbers as the product of their prime factors, you might not be able to solve at this point as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.